Low self-esteem doesn't develop overnight. Like a tree, it has deep roots that feed into our sense of self-worth. Understanding these roots is essential for building healthier self-esteem. The first and often deepest root comes from negative childhood experiences. Consistent criticism, neglect, or abuse during formative years can profoundly impact a person's sense of worth. The second major root involves societal pressures and unrealistic expectations. Social media amplifies these pressures, creating constant opportunities for comparison that fuel feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. The third root is internal: negative self-talk and perfectionist tendencies. When we continuously focus on our flaws and strive for unattainable standards, we gradually erode our own self-confidence. The fourth root consists of significant life events such as job loss, relationship breakdowns, or academic failures. These events can trigger or worsen existing feelings of low self-worth. These interconnected roots, childhood experiences, societal pressures, internal criticism, and life events, work together to shape our self-esteem. Recognizing these root causes is the crucial first step toward building healthier self-worth and developing more positive relationships with ourselves. Building self-esteem is an ongoing process that requires conscious effort and self-compassion. Let's explore practical strategies that can help boost your confidence and self-worth. The first strategy is practicing self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a close friend. Acknowledge your imperfections and accept that everyone makes mistakes. Second, challenge negative self-talk. Identify and question negative thoughts, then replace them with more realistic and positive affirmations. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm a failure," try, "I'm learning and growing." Third, set achievable goals. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps to experience a sense of accomplishment and build momentum. This creates a positive cycle of success. Fourth, focus on your strengths and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Keep a journal of your accomplishments to remind yourself of your capabilities and build confidence over time. Finally, engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Prioritize self-care and invest in your physical and mental well-being. Consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor if you're struggling to improve your self-esteem on your own. Remember, building self-esteem is a journey, not a destination. By consistently applying these strategies with patience and self-compassion, you can develop a healthier relationship with yourself and build lasting confidence.